Hey everyone, today we're gonna show you how to cook carbonara. First step in cooking carbonara is adding the butter. Spread the butter around until it is not visible anymore. Next step is that we have to get our sweet onions and we keep it in there until it is fragrant. Don't put anything else until it's fragrant. Other words, smelling good. Next, we add 250 grams of chopped bacon and you have to stir it until it is all cooked. Don't spill any, because then that's a waste of bacon. And bacon is really delicious. So please don't spill it. And then after that, please add some pepper to make it more tasty. And then mix it up all around the bacon. Make sure it stays in there. After adding in the pepper, we put a cream of mushroom soup. Delicious. Next, after we put the cream of mushroom soup, we have to get the 200 milliliters of cooking cream. After that, we have to stir the sauce really nicely and stir it until it is very, very thick. After that, we add even more pepper and then stir it again. After that, it is your choice whether you want to add some basil or not. And then after we add our basil, we stir it even more so it will spread around our pasta sauce. After that, we add a lot of Parmesan cheese to the sauce. After that, we add our pasta and then we, of course, mix it all. Mix it in the sauce until it is very, very creamy and it tastes very good. You may have a taste or two to make sure that it is ready. And then for the finale, we add some more Parmesan cheese and basil to make it taste even better. After that, you have a choice to serve it with bread. And if you're wondering why our bread is all very much burnt, it's because our family loves burnt bread because they're extremely crunchy. Bye! Thank you for joining us.